In today's video, we are going to review the 5 spark plugs for Toyota Tacoma on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure to check these out to get more information. Let's start with number 1, NGK6619 Iridium spark plugs. These spark plugs actually fit Tundra, Camry and Sienna too. The simple reason why these are recommended is because they are Iridium NGKs. There is nothing more long-lasting than this combo. NGK are being shy with their 50 and 60 miles longevity estimation. Similar to most modern plugs, these also come with corrugated ribs. Translated into a benefit, this means they prevent flashover from happening. These are the longest lasting spark plugs you can get for your Toyota Tacoma 6i or other models like the RAV4 and 4Runner. They come pre-capped at 0.043 inches as OEM specification required. They are a little bit more expensive though. Number 2. Toyota Genuine Parts 90919 01235 spark plug. The Toyota Genuine Parts spark plug is exactly what it says on the label. This spark plug is a 1:1 replacement unit for the one that came with your Toyota Tacoma. If you want to simply remove your old unit and replace it with your new one, this is the spark plug for you. This is made with single ground electrodes with a U-group design, ensuring you get the hottest possible spark whenever you turn on your Tacoma. In addition, this spark plug can last for up to 60,000 miles, about 10 times longer than an oil change, before you will have to replace it again. Toyota also goes above and beyond to ensure its spark plug don't just work, they stand the test of time. This spark plug is made of platinum, nickel and iridium to prevent cracking and any other physical damage that can happen from regular or high intensity use. If that doesn't have you sold on this genuine spark plug, keep in mind that it is also one of the most affordable models as well. Number 3. E3 spark plug. E3 lets you install one functional gear to fire up your startup performance. The premium quality automotive part supports a wide variety of modern applications. You better get settled for its reasonably moderate price tag. Functional based spark plug for 2004 Toyota Tacoma initiates a noticeable increase in power output. Standard threading size of 14 mm goes perfectly with compatible systems. Laboratory tests revealed its capability to encourage the outcome by 6% to 12%. Integrated electrodes get the add-on unique diamond fire technology towards improvement. It works with the steel alloy to generate the ultimate spark, resulting flame reach further into the cylinder to create a localized pressure. Super cleanliness dominates over carbon deposit to encourage the plug life. About 58% reduction in CO emission occurs with the system. Meanwhile, hydrocarbon emission can experience 42% lower action and it cause an overall 4% to 13% increase in fuel economy. Number 4. New NGK Iridium 9 spark plugs. NGK Iridium 9 spark plugs are designed specifically for the performance enthusiast. It offers extreme ignitability, improved throttle response, and superior anti-fouling. The fine fire iridium center electrode ensures high durability and a consistently stable spark. A special tape-cut ground electrode shape allows more area for faster flame expansion. Iridium alloy has an extremely high melting point, perfect for today's high-performance engines. Prevalent metal plating provides superior anti-corrosion and anti-seizing properties. Special tape-cut ground electrode shape to allow for more area for flame expansion. Number 5. NGK BKR5 EKPV11 spark plug. These spark plugs feature double platinum design for improved longevity. The laser welded platinum center electrode tip and platinum disc welded to the backside of the ground electrode provide a significantly reduced wear rate. This is critical for engines with DIS where spark plugs fire twice as often. The plugs are adequately protected from combustion gas leaking through the shell thanks to triple cascade sealing, while most other spark plugs on the market features only 2 seals. These spark plugs also feature the aluminum silicate insulator that is virtually fused to ensure dielectric and physical strength, as well as heat transfer away from the tip for maximum performance. To eliminate flashover, which can cause misfiring, these products are built with corrugated ribs and feature cold roll threads to prevent damage to the cylinder head and make installation and removal easier. The products also feature trivalent metal plating for superior anti-corrosion and anti-seizing properties.